Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple and easy fried rice recipe right at home. This is quick, flavorful, and perfect for lunch or dinner. It's super easy. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. First, we're going to cook our rice. To a saucepan, I'm adding some water, about 1 to 2 cups. To that, I'll add in some salt to taste and a little oil. I'm using butter for that extra flavor, but you can use any oil of choice. Once the water is hot, we'll go ahead and add in my washed rice. Then give it a quick mix and cover it and allow it to cook until tender. Once the rice is cooked, we'll set it aside and let it cool. To prep our veggies, I'm using half medium-sized carrots. We'll go ahead and chop them, then set it aside. Also, I'm gonna chop half-size green bell peppers, then set that one also aside. Now, to give our fried rice that extra flavor, we'll go ahead and grate some ginger. I'm using frozen ginger, but fresh ginger works perfectly too. To start making our fried rice, go ahead and place my pan on medium heat and add some oil. We'll allow the oil to heat up, then add in our grated ginger and fry for a few minutes until fragrant. Next, we'll go ahead and add in our chopped carrots and green bell peppers. To season our veggies, we'll go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and mix everything well and allow it to saute for a few minutes. At this point, our cooked rice is gonna go in. Once the rice goes in, we'll go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We'll mix everything together really well so all the flavors combine. We'll keep mixing until everything is evenly coated and heated through. And that's it. We'll turn off the heat, then add in our scallion and mix everything really well. And there you have it. Your delicious and simple fried rice is ready. You can serve it with your chicken or any protein of choice. Add a salad on the side and you're good to go. It's so delicious and easy to make. Trust me, if you try it, you will make this every single time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!